Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now I'm joined by two more beauties. That's joining the one with me, right here in set, Naomi Cowan and of course, Kim Nain. They are here to perform a track that, they've done together.
Yes.
What's the name of the track?
It's actually called Need Me. It's a part of my album, my debut album called Deal With It. I released it in November last year. So,
So both of you need me.
Huh?
All right.
How did this collaboration come about?
Sorry.
Let's ignore Dr. How did the collaboration come about? Two beautiful ladies on one track. How
well,
did that
I was
happen?
actually, when I wrote the song, I said to my producer, Dale Virgo, I was like, yo, this song is a conversation between two females that we need to express that issue that we're going through with our men. It's not it's not a breakup song, it's not a makeup song. It's just appreciate us more.
Like a detox.
Yeah, it's a detox.
Yeah.
Okay. And of course, who produced the song?
Dale Virgo.
Dale Virgo. Dale Virgo produced this.
right.
You know what? Let's perform the song. I'll go
Take
by
it away, ladies. We'll come back after.
No boy, you are the one that is so strong. You speak as if your friend and kinda you know wrong. I say at the end of the world when they go missing, I will keep you warm. No, you are Phoebe so cruel. When people in the room, people in love don't do this. So I will change your mood.
And I know that you need me when no one's around. I know that you need me, but you're holding out. And I know that you need me when no one's around. I know that you need me, but you're holding out. Sure. You got questions, I've got answers, but you're not here with me right. You're loving sometimes, more time now. So me up and draw one line.
Hear me now, where you move so where you are escape from. Set me are your woman, but you not treat me great, man. I jump ship so better form the relation or separation. Where you wait,
And I know that you need me. No one's around. I know that you need me, but you're holding out. And I know that you need me when no one's around. I know that you need me, but you're holding out. Yeah. And I've been waiting so long for him to open up to me. Boy, yeah.
He say him a bad man and him can't do the love thing. I just gotta believe that he'll give me more than 50. Him not a giver, just a getter, just a hope for a better thing. Like a diamond ring, or just show appreciation. Spend time and think, no road brethren, just conversation.
I know that he's got me. Swear I'm not even fussy. Can't explain, but him lucky.
I left a long, long time.
Sure.
I feel him a fi come with the ring. No one's around.
No one's
Know that you
around.
need me.
But you're holding down.
It might
You
be make me
need me,
no
baby. No one's around. I know that you need me,
but you're holding out. Yeah, yeah. You think you don't need, you think you won't need, baby. You think you won't need, you think you don't. Look at man, let me tell you this. You think you won't need, you think you don't need, baby. You think you don't need, you think you won't need.
Tell me that you need me, boy. Thank you.
Hey, and Naomi, you have an event coming up on Sunday. Tell us quickly about that one.
Yes, okay, so Sunday, November 3rd at 10 A West Kings House Road is the Rock and Groove Block Party presented by New Wave, Protege, and Indig. And
Beautiful.
we'll be premiering all of the songs from the new Rock and Groove Rhythm. Lita, IK, myself, Savannah, and Jazz Elise, who's been on this show before.
Yes.
So y'all come out
All of them.
from 5 p.m. to 11. It's going to be a nice vibe.
So I go wicked.
And where can we get your social media information?
I am at Kim Nain Official, KIMNAIN Official on all my profiles.
Love it.
I can,
Naomi Cowan.
yeah, you can check me out. I'll be putting out new music starting next month. Big up Frankie Music. So new music
Frankie
coming
music.
2020.
I love that. And it's so nice to see two beautiful, strong, talented women on one
Yes.
track. It's amazing. Thank you guys so much for joining us on the show.
Thank you, and big up
We
Jessie
love it.
Ryan.
That's it. Thanks for tuning in. We will be back on Tuesday. What we come back with?
Buzz, chat, vibe, mix.
Hey!
We out.
But you not treat me great, man.
Come strips the better from the relation or separation. We can't wait for
And I know that you need me when no one's around. I know that you need me, but you're holding out.